Hi all, and welcome to Arts and Crafts with Miss Dejah. So for today's project, we're going to be using white paper, and we're going to have red, yellow, and blue paint to mix up and make some new colors. You're going to need red or green construction paper to make your turtle, and you're going to need some safe scissors to cut out your turtle and glue to paste your turtle on your white paper. So first, we're gonna mix our red, yellow, and blue primary colors in different combinations to create the complementary colors, orange, purple, and red. So first, we're gonna mix red and yellow to make orange. Okay, we will mix blue and red to make purple, and we will mix blue and yellow to make green. So we're just gonna mix those colors up. Make sure you dip your brush into the water so you don't mess your colors up. There's orange. You dry your brush. All right, I'm gonna mix blue and red to make purple. And if you feel like you need to add more of a color, you can do that. And we have purple. Try again. Right, and mix blue and yellow to make green. So now that we mixed our colors up, we're going to take our green paint that we made and give our white paper a green background. I feel like this looks like navy blue, so I'm going to add more yellow. See, now it's starting to look a little bit more like green. All right, now we're going to paint our background. So while we wait for our green background to dry, we'll draw our turtle on either our red or green construction paper. I'm gonna choose, I'll choose green, just because, you know, I'm a green turtle. Okay, so you'll need a pencil to draw your turtle. So I'm gonna draw mine. I'm gonna start with my shell. Okay. Just make his shell. And then I'm gonna make the head. And then make the little tail. And then make the feet. Okay. You can draw a little face. I'll give mine a smile. Okay. Now we are going to cut out our turtle so we can paste it to our green background. So now that we've cut our turtle out, we're going to glue it to our green background. Okay, just take a glue stick or any type of glue, craft glue. Alright, and we just want to glue that onto our background. Alright. And now the last thing left is just to give our turtle some cool spots. So I'm going to take my new purple color that I made with red and blue, and I'm going to give it some spots. You can draw shapes. My favorite shape is a heart, so I'm going to give my turtle a heart. Okay, some orange, that red and yellow I made. Okay, I'll color that in a little bit. And a little bit of colors. All right. Okay, that's it. Then we have our turtle. Thanks for tuning in to Arts and Crafts with me. Bye.